Hello friends, I have for you an easy layout to make today. I think that I create this vintage page so easy because you can bring as a gift or create it for someone special. And it's Christmas, we are very busy, so I try to make something that you can create very fast. I select this paper that comes in the December limited edition kit. It's from 49 Market. I'm using the Recollection white ink here with the stencil of the month that comes in the kit. I'm going to use the sponge, makeup sponge, and I'm going to give some of these stencil design in some of the area. I don't want to cover the paper. I think this paper is so gorgeous. I just love the gray colors and all the design. And I'm trying to bring these, I don't know why I think that this stencil, it looks like a snowflakes. For example, I can visualize this in that way, so I am trying to bring some in white ink, the design of the stencil in white, just to bring the like a white Christmas effect on the background. So I am sponging the ink through all the stencils design, and you can see here how lovely it looks. I will bring a little here just to make a cohesive design on the background. As you see, I left all the paperwork like it is. Now I am placing again the stencil in the same area, and I giving a second layer just to highlight and enhance all the stencil work on the background. And I'm going to do this in all the spots that I put the stencil first, and you can see here. Okay, this is the final result. I let it dry, and you can see here how lovely it looks. Now is that I'm going to apply the clear gesso. Why I decided now? Because I'm going to use the clear gesso as a primer and as the sealer. In that way, I will cover all this ink and it will not move to any part. I apply the clear gesso with a spatula and cover all the paper. I'm going to let it dry. And now I'm going to start to build the composition using the 49 Market. Look, the beautiful vintage photo that I'm going to use. And I want to use the cord that comes in this package. It has this natural look, but I think that I want to give the whitish effect on the cord too, so I'm going to use the same ink. It is from Recollection, and I just love this ink because it's bringing the white. I don't know, I have a few white inks, and I think that this one works great. As you see, I am just giving the whitish effect. I am not going to put it completely white, the cord, just to I don't know, like eliminate a little the brown color. Now you can see here I'm going to use some of the laser cuts, and I'm adding a vintage photo in the edge of this frame, and I put a piece of cardboard behind the photo just to pop out the photo from the rest of the elements. Here I am adding a piece of cheesecloth. I think that it brings these textures on the background. It gives interest to the page. At the same time, it brings the whitish look that I'm looking for the background. When you combine with the stencil work, you put the cheesecloth and the other elements, it brings this, it's not like a fog, but you know, it blends. If I can say, it blends all the elements on the background in a lovely way, at least for me. I think this look cute. You will see at the end. Then I am putting the flowers. Here I am using the 49 Market flower, the red ones, but I mixed with a few of the Prima that comes in the kit. I am adding these flower spikes and more and cheesecloth behind just to blend and bring this white Christmas effect on the background. Here is some of the leaves from the laser cuts, and I want to mix the different elements from the kit in this page. And I'm playing here and more flower spikes. I just love these red ones, and here is other flower that I'm going to place in this corner. Everything is moving because it is without adhesive. Here is some of the pine cone here and there, and then I want to make something here in the top. I'm going to use the laser cuts from the 49 market, and I just make layers with the different pieces. And the cheesecloth, now I'm going to add a few of the flowers, the laser, to make the balance between the top and and my principal photo, that I use the real flowers or the paper flowers in that way. I am adding 2 pieces of lace behind all these layers, and I'm using my my scissor to push the lace behind all these layers. And you can see here I'm going to use the tacky glue and adhere everything. Okay, I adhere everything, but now I add these green flowers from 49 market that comes in the kits, and you can see here how everything looks so far. I want now to add some texture. I'm going to use the art stones with gel medium, and with my paintbrush I'm going to apply a few of them. This is the 3D gloss gel that I'm using from Rivera, and I will add these textures on the background. I'm not going to place or to put a lot of the art stone this time, just to add, I don't know, I think that this goes perfect. It goes perfect with the Christmas white effect that I want to create, or white Christmas that I want to create in this background. And I'm going to add a few of them in the top part here of my page. Once I apply the art stone, I cover my photo and I'm adding white paint splatters. I'm using this ink that is, I bought it at Michael, and I prefer the ink because it's easy for me to take but you can mix white acrylic paint with water and create all these splatters. Now I'm going to add, let me show you before I add. Everything is dry now. Look, the green flowers from 49, they are so cute, and I love that it brings a balance with the traditional colors on my page, no matter that the background is gray. I think in that way I can highlight and enhance the page. Here I'm adding a few of pearls. I'm going to put it over in the area that I want to adhere. I'm just placed it here, and I'm going to adhere it off camera. Just to, I don't want to make this video too long. It's Christmas, it's December, we are busy, so I'm just trying to show you how I'm going, or in what place I'm going to add. Now I use the Freight Burlet color. This is Distress Oxide ink with the stamp from my stuff that is from 49 market, and I'm going to stamp randomly on the background. I think that and I'm going with this color because this color is very similar to the background paper in the area that are dark, so I am trying to maintain my page with the same colors of the paper, and it brings a little of depth on the background and interest to the page. Okay, you see, just a little. And this is it. Let me show you now. The page is wet, but you can see here, I think that it looks so lovely. It doesn't take too much time, and you can make one for a friend, for a family, or just for you. I hope that it inspired you, that if you like it, please bring me a thumbs up and share this video with your any friends. Here are the close-up. Remember that in the description box down below are the link to the kit and my social media. And look here, it's so easy. And I will let you 2 more videos here from Christmas pages that maybe you are interested. I hope you give it a try, and I see you soon with another video tutorial. Take care, my friends. Nos vemos. Bye bye.